Installing a new door in your Talladega home might seem straightforward, but even small errors can cause big headaches later. From security concerns to energy efficiency problems, avoiding common mistakes will save you time, money, and frustration. Here's a customer-focused guide to help ensure your door installation goes smoothly. Not measuring accurately. One of the most common and costly mistakes is failing to measure correctly. Even a fraction of an inch off can mean a poor fit, which can cause drafts, difficulty opening or closing, and security issues. What to do? Measure the width and height of the doorway in 3 spots each. Check for variations in the frame and note them before ordering the door. Factor in space for shims and insulation. Skipping frame inspection. The door is only as secure and functional as the frame it sits in. Installing a new door on a warped, rotting, or damaged frame will lead to early wear and poor performance. What to do? Inspect the entire frame for signs of moisture damage, rot, or cracks. Repair or replace the frame before installation if needed. Use treated wood or composite materials in areas prone to moisture. Ignoring level and plumb alignment. If the door isn't perfectly level and plumb, you'll deal with sticking, uneven gaps, and possible lock alignment problems. What to do? Use a quality level to check both the sides and the top of the frame. Adjust with shims to ensure the door sits correctly before securing it. Check alignment again after screwing in hinges and hardware. Using the wrong hardware. Not all hinges, screws, and locks are created equal. Using subpar or mismatched hardware can compromise security and durability. What to do? Choose hardware designed for the door's weight and type. Use corrosion-resistant materials if your door faces the elements. Ensure the strike plate and hinges are firmly anchored into the framing. Neglecting weatherproofing. Talladega's weather can bring heavy rains and temperature swings. Without proper sealing, moisture can seep in, leading to mold, warping, or energy loss. What to do? Install weather stripping around the frame. Apply a quality threshold seal to block drafts. Use exterior-grade caulk along gaps where the frame meets the wall. Rushing the installation. And trying to install a door too quickly often leads to overlooked details, misaligned parts, and missed safety steps. What to do? Set aside enough time for a careful, step-by-step installation. Follow manufacturer instructions closely. Double-check each step before moving on to the next. Overlooking local building code. In Talladega, certain installations, especially exterior doors, may need to meet local building codes for safety, insulation, and security. What to do? Check Talladega's building code requirements before buying and installing. Choose a door that meets or exceeds energy efficiency and safety standards. Keep documentation for inspections if required. Not hiring a professional when needed. While many homeowners choose DIY installation, some situations require a skilled pro. Complex frames, heavy custom doors, or structural adjustments can be risky without the right tools and expertise. What to do? Honestly assess your skill level before starting. Get quotes from reputable Talladega door installation specialists. Consider the long-term benefits of a professional job done right. Final thoughts. A well-installed door boosts your home's curb appeal, security, and energy efficiency. By avoiding these common mistakes and taking the time to plan, measure, and prepare, you can enjoy a smooth installation in a door that lasts for years. Whether you choose to DIY or hire a Talladega professional, attention to detail will always pay off.